Thank you for joining in, and for today's video I have a quick unboxing here, and these are some art supplies that I am going to be using for Inktober, and that is the month of October for all the drawing, if you're not aware of that. And so we'll see here. These are from Viva Colors. So they have the watercolor original pan set, and there's a really nice travel painting kit. In this watercolor set, there are 16 different colors, so there's quite a good variety there. There's some information on the back. I really like how they're eco-friendly materials used. It's a cork board, which is really different. And Viva always has really nice packaging. It comes with a little swatch sheet there as well, and you can personalize your set if you wanted to. And there's an area to mix your colors as well. Moving on to the travel paint kit. This one is a little bit different from the other one. They do have an original one. This one is the special one for Inktober 2022. And as you can see, it has the really nice logo down on the bottom. Especially if you're into collecting things. A lot of people participate in the Inktober over the years. I forget exactly how many years it's been going on, but it's quite a few. So you do receive your art journal and the prompt. Of course, that's really important. So every day you have a different subject there that you can draw or paint in your journal. And I love Halloween, so some of these are going to be really fun. Of course, your watercolors, a brush pen, and there is the fine liner on the side as well. And I just wanted to show a quick difference. This is the original one. They definitely made the pocket different on the new one, and even where you stick your water brush pen, that's a little bit higher as well. If anybody was curious, I just wanted to show the difference there. And it does come with these color sheets. And I'm showing my older set here because I didn't want to open up the brand new one. I wanted to finish this one up first, but I still wanted to show what they are in case if you didn't know. The color is on the squares, and then you just wet your brush, and there is like a parchment paper in between. And the colors are definitely very vibrant. And then there's a little mixing area as well. Well, I'm very excited to use all my new art supplies for the Inktober coming up this year. And let me know if you're excited for this year's prompt and everything. So be sure to like this video, stay tuned for more Inktober videos, and I'll see you next time. If anyone is interested, all of the art supplies will be linked in the description down below.